of you would love to see your child's interest peak in earning their own money? Hi, my name is Holly Reid Tootle of the Master Playbook, and we host the Future Millionaire Money Camp for Kids. Through our Money Camp for Kids, we offer a hands on learning experience. We help young people develop a healthy relationship with money that improves their financial literacy, strengthens their critical thinking, and builds their confidence. In our program, we cover a variety of topics from setting goals to investing to learning how to give back. Here are just a few examples of the impact our Future Money Camp has had on a few of our students. We kick off our 4-week program helping our students make the association between hard work and being rewarded. We dive into their dreams, discuss goal setting, and introduce ways that at their age they can begin earning money. This includes an introduction to early entrepreneurship. And one of our campers, Miss Jordan, a fourth grader, participated in the Money Camp for Kids the summer of 2021 and decided to start her own business. Yes, at 10 years old, Miss Jordan started Josie's Sorbet. She gathered all of her materials, her ingredients, her packaging. She made handmade signs and was able to earn over $200 over the course of 2 separate days. Her dad was so thankful. He sent me a note that said, "Thanks for all you are doing with the kiddos." Jordan already made approximately $50 to spend, and this is after she donated $30, tithe 10%, and put away 20% for savings. In our money camp, we also tackle the important money habit of saving and investing. Here, I want to introduce you to Miss Caitlin. Miss Caitlin opened up her first checking account and bought her first shares of stock through the instruction that we provide in our financial literacy program. Our Money Camp curriculum dives into spending, teaching our kids how to budget, how to spend wisely, and are introduced to marketing tactics to help them avoid wasteful spending. We also dive into the important money habit of giving. And we pride ourselves on the things that we teach your students, your son and your daughter, not only will take root during the money camp, but you will also see them think differently about money and money choices well beyond the money camp. Here's an example of Milan, who was 10, and Devin, who was 8 at the time, and they participated in one of our summer sessions. And fast forward 4 months later, their school partnered with a charity during the holidays to give groceries to families with sick children who needed to remain in the hospital during that time. I received a welcomed email from their mom who told me all about how what they learned in our Money Camp for Kids really influenced them and compelled them to use the money that they had put aside since that summer and give back and donate money to pay for the groceries. And these are just a few of the examples of the impact and the transformation that we are able to see through the Future Millionaire Money Camp for Kids. We are excited to be a Plutus Foundation grant recipient and look forward to continuing this work and having an even greater reach because of the Plutus Foundation support.